Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to simplify the fraction 21/42 to its lowest terms. Let's look at the fraction 21/42. To simplify it, we'll divide both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor. The greatest common factor, or GCF, is the largest number that can evenly divide both the numerator and the denominator of a fraction without leaving a remainder. For 21 and 42, that's 21. We start by dividing 21 by 21, which gives us 1. Then we divide 42 by 21, which results in 2. So, simplifying 21/42, we end up with 1/2, which is the fraction in its simplest form and cannot be reduced any further. It's important to note that both the original fraction 21/42 and the simplified fraction 1/2 have the same decimal value, which is 0.5. This demonstrates that simplifying a fraction does not change its inherent value but makes it easier to understand and use. So, there you have it. The fraction 21/42 simplified to its simplest form is 1/2, and in decimal form, it's 0.5. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.